The process for posting a job is rather easy and is done on one page. Go to Applicant Tracking Job Posts. Any current postings will appear here in alphabetical order. For more information on viewing and editing these current posts, watch the video titled Viewing and Sharing Jobs. To add a new post, click on the Add Post button. Before you begin creating your first post, make sure that you set up all of your job categories. These categories will be used to separate your job posts and make it easier for potential applicants to find the job they're looking for. Use the Job Categories button located on the right-hand side. You also have an option to describe this job category. If this is your first time setting up your job categories, you may need to reload the page before you'll see them populated in the drop-down menu further down the page. After you have these set up, begin filling out all of the required fields. Optional fields are recommended as they give potential applicants information that's helpful in determining whether this job is a good fit for their needs and skills. Additionally, many of these fields transfer over into onboarding if you use that feature, or into the employee files section of Dominion. This reduces the amount of information that needs to be added later on. The first section is the basic job details. Many of these fields are the ones that transfer over later on. Note that the job title field will automatically populate the About This Position section if you have that set up on your job profiles screen. For more information on this, watch the General and Application Setup video. The approximate start date may not necessarily be the official start date. That can be determined later on. Also, the compensation field does not require a number. Many companies put based on experience or negotiable. Next is the post details section. Note that putting a published start date is what makes the posting visible publicly, so make sure to complete that field. The expires field is often left blank, and the position filled field is always left blank. When you hire an employee, that field will automatically be filled in based on who is hired. Next is the application details section. This is where you determine which application to use, which application received email to use, if you'd like to require a resume, or if you would like to enter any type of minimum education completed requirements. Lastly, click the Publish button and your posting will be complete. Watch our next video called Viewing and Sharing Jobs for instructions on how to get your jobs out on the internet.